Okay guys.
Mga kuan, bukid life. So kani diri sa una dira may magduwa na yung mga kuan dira. O diri may maligo dili day duwa. Lahi naman karon. Labhanan ni namo diri sa una. Mao ni ang play sa among childhood, no? Wang, hit this mic, Wang! Hit this mic! Amo ni lantay dire. Ari! Ay, ginoo ko na ni kwintas, oh. Gahong kuan, guys, kinakusgan nga.
Labandin.
Andiyan ko mo sa tadhang dapita, girl.
Lamig ba dili tigil ko no kayo mumulo mo tubig. Only water.
Hayahay kayo ang among lugar dire sa bukid, guys.
Kabuling nita guys.
Atong ikuan ang botong. Botong is life.
Okay guys. Tumbler. Mga tagbutong guys.
Nagpilag lugas, ana.
5. Ay lugas.
Buok ba? Mahala na ba ni si Buday na pila na dahil? 50? Botong is life.
Mana abli harag matay.
Unsa man gadjud oy naglibog naman ta ani atong istorya. Bitaw na sa job lagi hong kuan sentence.
Dimian kaya ran sa dupa gabi.
Unsam day ja bray?
Palabian naman kung
pasabot ba kay?
bakwang.
Ako
Ang
pasabot
isang
ba
buwan
kay?
naman ninjo sa kuan, uy.
Hindi okay. Godoy. Wa arte mo mama. Oh, akong pasabot ba kay murag
Go.
sampuli gab.
Go Ogi.
No, it's not yucky.
Show Ogi how to drink the coconut juice.
In the US, you have to pack the coconut juice, right? Here, it's
And it's very expensive there.
Today,
Just like $1,000 in the US.
Oh, Gabin look at Gabin.
So Gavin will demonstrate how to, you know.
Wow.
Hey, that's it. Okay, Ogi's turn.
Oh, you don't like? Oh, here, no straw. Dog.
Bukid life. Go Ogi. It's very sweet.
Very sweet. It's like,
Oy, mahugmak na.
it's like yogurt.
not the fruit, but the tree.
Maybe you will start eating the hak-hak there.
How about this one?
It's delicious.
Puro ka ew, ha?
Go. Try. Your mom loves this.
Like this, ha?
No.
Like this, ha?
Dijud ka? Ogie, you don't like? Ogie,
You do this.
you don't like?
You do this.
You don't like? I'll show this one.
Go.
Okay, expensive, ha?
No, throw it away, Jud. Oy, my God.
My God, give me this.
Unsao naman na nato,
No, it's
oy.
very expensive in Cebu.
It's just like $1,000 in the US. You can.
You'll do what? You'll do what?
It's hot. Ano? Sige ba? Hala, play there, oh. Over there. Over
He
there.
wants to be tan. Pasag di siya magbuwad ha, skuan. You will have a lot of kuto in your hair
Okay.
if you will expose in the kuan sun, under the sun.
Haircut na, haircut.
Okay, he wants to get tanner like the mommy, no? Ingo mo sa mommy, I'm tan, but you're tanner. Who's tanner? Tita Sarajin or you?
Me, right?
Who's tanner? Ogie? Ogie's tanner? Huh?
Tanner,
Tanner, Jol, bitaw.